Update, guys. After the rebuild engine, look at the sounds. That's the sounds of the engine after rebuild. Sounds like new. Hear that one? Update as of February 5. It's the bed, bathroom, it's a cover on the cabinet, it's the kitchen, 2-burner, sink, refrigerator, AC window right there. That's where they dine at. Corner molding right there. That's it so far. Extra storage. It's the cabin, nice and clean at 166.55, but it's newly rebuilt engine. Let's go check it out, the engine. Look at the sounds. You want to hear the sounds of newly rebuilt engine? We use the blue color because my favorite color is blue. Or green.